Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here. Apple iPhone 13 release date, price, and specs. Please subscribe followed by the bell. You can also keep up on Facebook, Twitter by clicking the links in the description. The iPhone 13 is months away from its release. We've already started seeing plenty of rumors about what Apple has in store for us when the phone arrives in the fall. The iPhone 13 is set to offer a 120Hz LTPO display on both Pro models, improved battery life thanks to a more efficient 5G modem, well as substantial upgrades to the all-important cameras that includes a LiDAR sensor on cheaper iPhone 13 and iPhone 13 mini, as well as a new portrait video mode. As for the design, we've heard that the notch is shrinking. Some other rumors have suggested that at least one iPhone 13 model may come with a truly portless design, but that's now contested. That's actually possible now that we have MagSafe charging. If the iPhone 13 release date follows Apple's pattern for previous launches, could see this device hit shelves on the 4th Friday of September 2021. That would be September 24th. This was given further credence by a more recent analyst who said that the iPhone 13 is on track for a September launch, and Apple expects to build 25% more iPhone 13 units than the iPhone 12. We'll get our first hint of the iPhone 13 features this June, when Apple shows off iOS 15, at its Worldwide Developer Conference. WWDC 2021 takes place June 7th. Apple says Apple will apparently achieve this notch downsizing by combining the currently separated infrared flood illuminator and dot projector, which make up the iPhone 12's Face ID unlocking system, into a single module. With 2 fewer sensors required, we should see a much narrower notch on the iPhone 13. An iPhone 13 Pro dummy unit sourced by Mac Otokara appears to show a smaller notch up front. This is achieved by pushing the earpiece into the bezel of the phone and by moving the front camera from the right side to the left. If you want a better idea of what a finished iPhone 13 might look like, Let's Go Digital published some iPhone 13 renders actually labeled as the iPhone 12's Pro that shows off Apple's phone, with a smaller notch and a Touch ID sensor under the phone's display. Speaking of which, there has been a clutch of leaks and rumors pointing toward the iPhone 13 getting an under-display take on Touch ID. There is still some doubt bubbling around that this will be the case, but at a time when mask wearing is prolific, having a secondary form of biometric security is no bad thing. The biggest change we can expect from the iPhone 13 is that one model could feature a portless design, Lightning port, and opting for charging and data transfer to be carried out wirelessly. Apple will adopt a 120Hz refresh rate for the 6.1-inch iPhone 13 Pro and 6.7-inch iPhone 13 Pro Max. This will allow for smoother scrolling as well as improved gameplay and video playback. A newer leak added further fuel to the rumors that the iPhone 13 will have an LTPO panel, and that Samsung Display will be the company to make it. The nature of an LTPO panel means it doesn't need extra components under the display to enable an adaptive refresh rate, meaning phones with such screens can sport a thin chassis. In the iPhone 13, an LTPO display could enable the phone to not only have a super smooth refresh rate, but also keep the neat frame of the iPhone 12. So can we expect a chip upgrade for the iPhone 13 over its predecessor? It's likely this will come in the form of the A15 Bionic, a successor to the very powerful A14 Bionic in the iPhone 12. This new system-on-a-chip SoC could be a reasonable upgrade on the A14 Bionic, likely boosting overall performance and efficiency. A major upgrade doesn't look likely until the iPhone 14, when Apple could potentially make a chip based on a 4nm process node. Currently, the A14 Bionic inside the iPhone 12 is a 5nm chip on the storage front. We can expect the iPhone 13 to range from 64GB and 512GB, though a new analyst report has the iPhone 13 slated to get up to 1TB of storage. The iPhone 13 could also get a big boost in terms of wireless connectivity. Apple's settlement with Qualcomm revealed that Apple has plans to use Qualcomm's X65G modem in upcoming iPhones, which will likely include the iPhone 13. We haven't heard much about the entire iPhone 13 range yet, but one leak has the iPhone 13 Pro and iPhone 13 Pro Max offering a new 6-element ultra-wide lens. It would also offer autofocus capability. The current iPhone 12 Pro models sport a 5-element ultra-wide-angle lens. The more elements in a lens, the better the image quality tends to be as a rule. One interesting rumor that has come up suggests Apple is looking for suppliers for a folded lens camera that will improve the iPhone 13's optical camera zoom. The periscope-like design means the telephoto lens would be stacked vertically, instead of horizontally, meaning you can increase the optical magnification without increasing the size of the phone. An upgraded ultra-wide camera on all iPhone 13 models facilitate a dedicated astrophotography mode, and much like how night mode is enabled when you're in a low-light environment, you'll activate this mode when you point the phone at the stars or the moon. That is it, guys. What features would you like to see in iPhone 13? Let me know in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Peace out.